How do you feel about SELinux on Fedora? So SELinux is something I've dealt with a lot in the server realm. Um, it's great for servers because it definitely is a great security measure. But for everyday desktop usage, it's just super annoying. So typically, if I'm using Fedora on a desktop, I'm doing a lot like this desktop. I am not using SELinux. I'm turning that stuff to permissive or even disabled, and just saying, screw it, let's go. Definitely not something I've been doing business, but for your average like gamer or someone just messing around in Fedora, permissive mode and all that's fine. It's still a hell of a lot more secure than most stock Linux distributions. So that's my thoughts on SELinux. Great in theory, great in business, terrible for residential and gaming and other just modern desktop usage. I mean, I don't think I've really added much experience with SELinux since doing Fedora, mainly just because I'm just like, whatever, I'm disabling it. I don't want to mess with it. I don't want to create profiles. I think is it GenProf or is that now GenProf? I think is AppArmor. I think it's AA GenProf for generating AppArmor profiles. So if you're like on Arch and you want kind of like SELinux style security, AppArmor with generating profiles is pretty good. It's not as good as SELinux, but it's close. It's a very close match. So AppArmor's good along with SELinux.